my treasure! And we will return your ship undamaged. That old ship was all I had! Woo! I could have been so rich. Nah, fruit it. You win some, you lose some, right, Sil? So what's next? A grift, a scam? Grand Theft spaceship? I guess Wander can come too. I have a hustle that could use the little nerd muncher. She'll be back.
Hello there. Let's talk about your honesty issues.
No!
So, partner, what is next? Help a multi-armed Vitruvian with a pesky hangnail? Find the missing corner of the Rubikian puzzle planet?
You destroyed all my stuff! For that, you will pay! Possibly with money, but definitely with suffering!
How's about a little adventure? Heidi-ho, Sylvia! Away!
I hate you so much, Wander!
I love you too!